Hurricane Kristy tracker. See path of storm expected to strengthen, remain away from land. USA Today. Hurricane Kristy is forecast to continue strengthening Wednesday as it remains away from land, according to the National Hurricane Center. Below are your comments. They used to name storms in the Pacific Ocean cyclones to differentiate between Atlantic hurricanes and Pacific hurricanes. This forecast track shows the most likely path of the center of the storm. Where is the forecast track? K-map diagram? Poor journalism. Two Democratic senators facing re-election in battleground states are pouring hundreds of thousands of dollars into adverts that play up their support for Donald Trump and his policies, according to an exclusive analysis of broadcast data. It suggests they are trying to win over Trump supporters to hold their seats, even if it undermines Kamala Harris' campaign. In key counties in Pennsylvania, Sen. Bob Casey has shifted the bulk of his TV advertising to a 30-second spot entitled Independent, that features a married couple comprising a Republican and Democrat explaining how he bucked Biden to protect fracking and he sided with Trump to end NAFTA and put tariffs on China. If FL gets hit by one more this fall, you will be able to buy property for pennies on the dollar. Man facepalming, nothing out there right now. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.